Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. This week we'll be talking about hand protection. But before we get started, make sure to give me that thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also subscribe to the channel where you'll find additional Toolbox safety topic videos and you'll be notified of new releases. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most important aspects of workplace safety, and that's hand protection. Your hands are one of your most valuable tools, but they're also among the most vulnerable. A split-second mistake can result in cuts, burns, or even permanent damage. That's why OSHA requires employers to assess job hazards, determine appropriate protective equipment, and provide and pay for necessary hand protection. Let's break this down further. OSHA's hand protection requirements. OSHA's regulations for hand protection falls under 29 CFR 1910-138. Employers are required to 1. Assess the workplace for hand hazards such as cuts, burns, chemical exposures, and punctures. Number 2. Determine the appropriate hand protection for each task. Number 3. Provide employees with the necessary protective gloves at no cost. Number 4. Ensure that employees are trained on the proper use, care, and limitations of hand protection. This means that if the task you're doing exposes your hands to hazards, your employer must supply the right glove for the job. Common hand hazards on a construction site. Hand injuries can happen in many ways on a job site, including cuts and lacerations from handling sharp materials like sheet metal, glass, or rebar. Crush injuries and pinch points from working with heavy machinery or materials. Chemical burns from handling solvents, adhesives, or concrete. Thermal burns from welding, grinding, or handling hot materials. Punctures from nails, screws, or sharp tools. Electrical hazards when working near live circuits. Understanding the risk allows us to take proper precautions and choose the right glove for each task. Here are some types of gloves and their uses. Not all gloves are created equal. Choosing the right type of glove is essential to protecting your hands effectively. Here are some common types and their uses. Number 1. General work gloves made of leather or synthetic materials. These gloves provide basic protection against abrasion and minor cuts. Great for handling lumber, bricks, and general site work. Number 2. Cut-resistant gloves. Rated from A1 to A9. These gloves offer various levels of cut protection, with A9 providing the highest level. These are essential when working with sharp tools, sheet metal, or glass. Number 3. Chemical-resistant gloves made of nitrile, neoprene, or latex. These gloves protect against hazardous substances like solvents, acids, and adhesives. Number 4. Heat-resistant gloves designed to withstand high temperatures. These gloves are used for welding, torch work, and handling hot materials. Number 5. Electrical insulating gloves. Rated for specific voltage levels. These gloves protect workers from electrical shock when working around live circuits. And number 6, disposable gloves, used in situations where contamination is a concern, such as handling paints, adhesives, or chemicals. In conclusion, your hands are critical to your work and your everyday life. Protecting them isn't just about following OSHA's requirements. It's about making sure that you go home injury-free at the end of the day. Always wear the right gloves for the job. Inspect them for damage before use and replace them when they show signs of wear. Remember, safety starts with you. Now here's some discussion questions. Have you or a coworker experienced a hand injury on the job? What happened? What types of gloves do you currently use? And are they appropriate for your task? Now, I recommend checking out Superior Glove. They have videos and can help you decide what type of glove is best for your particular application. And they're not a sponsor. What are some additional ways we can prevent hand injuries on our job site? Stay safe and protect your hands. All right, boys and girls, that's my thoughts on the subject. Feel free to give me that thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to the channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature and you'll be notified of new releases. Also, feel free to comment and give me some idea what you would like to hear me talk about as far as safety. And feel free to share this video so that other people can take care of their hands as well. Anyway, until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number one. Look out for your coworkers and help ensure their safety. And as always, have a grateful day, and we'll see you in the next one. Safety is all on you. It's all on you, man.